Hey guys, welcome to Flight Test Tech. My name's Eddie and I'm here to walk you through today on how to use this voltage alarm to check your batteries and also how to set up an in-flight alarm to prevent you from flying your batteries dead and having a bad crash. A lot of guys just use voltage checkers just to see if your battery's charged or not, but there are a lot of features on here that you can use even while you're flying. Once you connect your voltage checker to your battery, you have several options. It's going to give you per cell what the voltage is. It's going to give you a full voltage of the battery. But what a lot of people don't know is there's this little button at the top, and if you press it, you're going to get several options on where this actually will alarm. And this is what you want to do and set for your plane. Like if you put this in your plane while you're flying, this will alert you when the battery gets to that voltage per cell. I like to keep it anywhere between 3.4 and 3.7 volts per cell. That's going to give you from storage charge to below. That way you can continue to fly when it starts to alert you, and you have plenty of time to get it on the ground without actually running your battery dead. Okay guys, when you want to connect your voltage alarm to your battery balance plug, you're going to take a look at the actual plug itself, and you're going to notice like on this plug, on this tattoo battery, you have 3 black wires and a red wire. All the little pins, you can see these, where on the other side you've got the guides for the balance plug. Make it to where you can see the actual metal. You got the display in your hand. You go to the far left pin and you plug that up. You'll get 2 beeps and you'll actually start seeing some display on the voltage alarm. At that point, you've got it hooked up. You see what your voltage is. You can press your button, and when you press your button, it's going to start showing you all the voltages that you can set the alarm to alert at. So what I've got here is I actually have a battery that's Josh has been flying and it's a little low. This is what you'll see when it happens, and this is what you're going to hear. What happens when it gets down to that? It's going to alert, it's going to continue to beep, and if it's one particular cell, 2 cells, or all of them, each one of those will flash. That is how you know your battery is at the point you need to bring it down, or if it's a bad battery, it'll tell you that before you fly. You can see that you've had a cell fail or anything like that. Okay guys, I appreciate you taking the time to go through this video with me. This was how to go through and check a battery with your voltage alarm. Also how to set it up so when you fly, you can set an alarm for your in-flight so you can prepare for your landing. Stay tuned, we'll have more tech videos like this on the way. If you have any suggestions, please reach out to us through the contact us option on the store page.